The book of Hosea is a prophetic book in the Old Testament, authored by the prophet Hosea, who ministered in the northern kingdom of Israel. He was active during the 8th century BC, just before the fall of Israel. At that time, Israel appeared to be strong, enjoying economic prosperity and territorial expansion. But internally, it was plagued by idolatry and moral decay. God used Hosea's life to symbolically demonstrate Israel's unfaithfulness and his unwavering love. As part of this, Hosea was commanded by God to marry an unfaithful woman named Gomer, which reflected the spiritual condition of Israel. Through this process, God showed his enduring love for Israel, despite their waywardness. While the book emphasizes judgment and warnings, at its heart, it conveys God's love and forgiveness. The message for us today is that God's love remains constant, and no matter how far we stray, he does not abandon us. Through this, we can recognize his love and seek the opportunity for restoration.